OK, the winner of week 2 at the Gatwick Guest Bedroom Week by just half a point again is... Bianca and Cara. Congratulations, girls. Your first win.
Thanks, Scotty.
Well done. $10,000 from Volkswagen coming your way, and that's going to be hidden somewhere in your Tiguan tonight.
We cannot believe it. There is not one part of me that thought that we could win it today.
No.
Makes the all-nighter well and truly worth it now.
We'll roll every day if we have to, if we get that
no,
result.
we won't.
Oh, I will. I will roll every day if we get that result.
We will.
They may not have had a ceiling yesterday, but Courtney and Hans's perseverance got them second place with 25.5 points.
I'm actually really happy. I'm probably the happiest second placer right now, ever.
1 point behind in third, Norm and Jess with 24.5 points. Kerry and Spence came fourth with 23 points. And unlucky last for their second week in a row is Hayden and Sara on 22.5 points.
What a load of... Yeah, let's not paint beside a bedside table and win.
Yeah, it's disappointing.
No, disappointing is an understatement. It's actually devastating. Why do I have to be ridiculed on national TV when I could be spending time with my family? That's what makes me mad.